It's late, or early in the morning, but curiosity has gotten the best of me. If I pull this off the tarp, maybe I can double that other tarp up. But I'm wanting to see what's under there. So use the basic build, basic concept. It's just making sure you do the proper maintenance and upkeep. Okay, that is a weak spot there where it really got through. And it was weak around that spot. How salvageable is it? I think it's just dry rot all along that bottom edge on that panel. You can see water damage. Yeah. So you can just see how it punched through. Yeah. Well, now I can at least get to the line. As a matter of fact, this one here is for door light, porch light, but it's already got the cuts in there right there. That's where the other line, that's the spot where the other two lines go in for the light and for the fan. So I'm going to get those pulled out of place. Some of these boards look pretty good. I'm going to salvage what I can for the build. But yeah. They did a real nice job in the design and the build. It's just once that water broke through, or once maintenance had stopped and it didn't try upkeep on it, you can see how the damage came about. You see how that watermark is there? Now let's see how weak it has it made it. And that's just finger pushing it through. Yeah, there is something growing on this panel. These I might give a bleach wipe down, let them sit in the sun for a couple days and see what happens. I could use that for a shelf. And I have that line disconnect and pull it on out. Last but not least is to disconnect the power max. And as I see, like I said, there's 3 lines running in from the floor. This is negative to the battery. This is positive to the battery. This one here will run to the fuse box, which is here. The white line runs there. And this line, it runs from here down into the floor. And it connects right there. And that's it for the power unit. I haven't decided on what I'm going to do with these doors.